Now let's see what made the Intense 5. Alice has become the inspiration to songs, memes, animations. Boy, she's everywhere. Anyways, the vendors will receive training and Crab Circle could reopen next month. Future Fambo shocked everyone with a pic showing dramatic weight loss. He cleared the air though, telling everyone he's diabetic and that has resulted in a 70-pound weight loss. But he's loving it. Take care of yourself, Fambo. So, everywhere me turn, me see this. Jada says she and Will have been separated for 6 years, but they don't believe in divorce, so them just a go and hold it. Okay, no problem. Honestly, everywhere me go, I Jada me and say. Reggae Grammy nominations have been declining from 125 to 65. No sir, what's going on? And finally holding though, spot this week, Valiant has been on a high until he hit Miami. The crowd was rough. It did shake him up a little bit, but you know what he did? He released a track about it. Make sure you listen to Beer and Salt from the beginning. It bad. By the way, him throw word at our next artist in it. I'm not telling you who, go listen to it. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in all that's entertainment.